Welcome to Mastering the 5 Habits of Wealth. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 powerful habits that can lead you on the path to financial abundance. Stay tuned, because your journey to wealth begins right now. Chapter 1. Setting Clear Financial Goals. Think of this chapter as the GPS for your financial journey. We'll show you how to set goals that aren't just dreams, but actionable steps toward wealth. Ever feel like your finances are on a wild roller coaster ride with no destination in sight? Well, folks, it's time to get off that ride and take control. Now, you might wonder, why do we need goals? Well, picture this: setting off on a road trip without a map, a GPS, or even a general direction. You're just driving, hoping you'll end up somewhere nice. Financial goals are your treasure map, your GPS, and your compass all rolled into one. They give your money a purpose and direction, so let's chart a course for financial success. But before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why of financial goals. Why do you even need them? Picture this scenario. You're in a race, but there's no finish line. How would you know when you've won? Goals provide that finish line. They give you something to aim for. And now, as we embark on this financial adventure, remember this: goals turn dreams into actionable steps. It's time to turn your financial dreams into reality. So let's dive into Chapter 1, Setting Clear Financial Goals. Why goals matter. Now that we understand the importance of goals, let's talk about why they matter in the grand scheme of wealth building. Goal tip #1. Goals give you clarity. They're like turning on the headlights on a dark, winding road. Suddenly, you can see where you're going. Without goals, your finances might resemble a tangled ball of yarn. Goals help you unravel that mess one thread at a time. Think of goals as the recipe for your financial success. Without them, you're just tossing ingredients into a pot and hoping for a gourmet meal. So, let's embrace goals as your financial guiding stars. Types of financial goals. Now that we've highlighted why goals matter, let's explore the different types of financial goals. Goal tip #2. Short-term goals are like appetizers. They satisfy your immediate cravings. These could be saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Medium-term goals are your main course. Think of them as your financial protein. This might include buying a home or starting a business. Long-term goals are the dessert of your financial journey. They're the sweet rewards waiting at the end. Examples include retirement planning and generational wealth. SMART goals, your recipe for success. Now that we've got a taste of the types of goals, let's talk about making them SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals are like having a detailed recipe. Instead of cook dinner, it's prepare homemade lasagna. Measurable goals have built-in taste testers. You'll know when you've achieved them because they come with clear metrics. Achievable goals are like choosing recipes within your culinary skill level. You're not trying to prepare a 7-course meal if you're just starting as a chef. So remember, your SMART goals are the secret sauce of your financial success recipe. Setting your financial goals. Now, it's time to roll up those sleeves and set your financial goals. It's like picking your favorite dishes from the menu. Goal tip #3. Write them down. It's like creating a shopping list before going to the grocery store. It keeps you focused. Your financial goals should be as personal as your food preferences. What satisfies your financial appetite? Just like a chef customizes a recipe, customize your goals to fit your life. No one-size-fits-all here. So, get ready to craft your financial feast with goals that suit your unique taste. That's a wrap for Chapter 1, Setting Clear Financial Goals. You've now got the recipe for success. Goals are your ingredients. Now, it's time to cook up your financial masterpiece. But we're not done yet. Before you head off on your goal-setting journey, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to turn your financial dreams into reality? Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more financial feasts. Your journey to wealth is just getting started. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for the upcoming chapters, where we'll explore budgeting, investing, saving, and more on your path to mastering the 5 habits of wealth. Get ready to conquer your financial journey, one goal at a time. The recipe for wealth is in your hands. Keep watching, keep learning, and let's make those dreams a reality. See you in the next chapter.